My name is Allegra W. Smith. I'm a RetComp PhD candidate and the current Assistant Director of Professional Writing at Purdue. And today I want to tell you about a pedagogical experiment that I did in my business writing or English 420 class last fall. I redesigned the curriculum according to a hot concept currently in business management and marketing, social entrepreneurship. For people who aren't familiar with social entrepreneurship, it's a mode of business that seeks to balance making a profit and making a difference in the world. Basically, social entrepreneurs are attempting to solve local or global problems through their industries. A great example of this, and probably the most familiar one to folks, is Tom's Shoes, the company that seeks to provide a pair of shoes to a person in need, typically in a developing nation, for every pair of shoes purchased by their customers. To make the concepts of social entrepreneurship more concrete for students and to get them a little bit inspired to try proposing social entrepreneurial ventures of their own, I provided additional examples that you can see in the lower left of this poster. These different companies, initiatives, and apps sought to solve problems in their industry and solve problems for people by creating new and innovative solutions. The course curriculum for English 420 themed around social entrepreneurship involved 3 different projects. The first, a job portfolio project, is pretty standard across business writing courses. It involves students creating a suite of employment documents targeted to a job ad, a resume, a cover letter, and an elevator pitch that they practiced in class, in actual elevators, I might add, to add to the realism of it. But students were asked to think about the tenets of social entrepreneurship when creating these materials, so they had to foreground how they made a difference in their communities and in their workplaces. The second project, an issue report, asked students to do some research on a target problem or audience that could be helped through social entrepreneurial interventions. Then they designed a report that persuaded stakeholders, ideally C-suite executives or other decision makers in a company, to take action on this issue. These reports balanced data displays, visuals, and short blocks of actively written text in order to mobilize an audience to action. The final project created an imaginary scenario for the students to pitch an innovation to venture capital funders. We pretended that the Shark Tank sharks from the ABC show established a call for proposals from teams of universities worldwide, asking them to create the next innovation for the silver economy. That is, older adults age 60 and up, who represent the fastest growing segment of the US economy as our population pyramid flips and the baby boomers retire. The students created incredibly well-written, well-designed, and well-justified proposals for a variety of innovations for this project. You can see 3 on the right-hand side. First, a group of international students created a smartwatch that updated the very dated Life Alert device to help keep senior citizens safe and mobile. Another group created a Skillshare platform called Guide and Grow that matches younger adults and college students with older adults who can teach them skills or trades for college credit. Finally, the last product, which you can see a schematic and an advertisement for in the lower right-hand corner, was designed to help reduce medical errors in prescriptions for older adults by giving them an automated prescription refill tool. Students took very excitedly to the social entrepreneurship theme. As you can see from the chart at the bottom of the poster, it improved their overall course experience, as well as their learning from other students, collaboration, project management, and their ability to do purpose-driven writing. They were mobilized by the real-world problems that they selected in order to do additional research, data analysis, and persuasive writing in the course. In the future, I would love to design a social entrepreneurship section of English 420 themed around either sustainability, global development, or climate change, because these were the key issues that students identified